Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create and share WhatsApp group link. So if you want to invite someone using the WhatsApp group link, this is how you can go about it. Now, the only requirement to create a WhatsApp group link is to be the admin of the group. So if you're not the admin of the group, you won't be able to create a WhatsApp group link. You can always reach out to an admin to share you the WhatsApp group link. So let's get right into it. On mobile, you want to open the WhatsApp group. Once open, tap on the name of the group and then scroll all the way to the bottom. Here you're going to see invite via link. Simply tap on invite via link and you see the group link in this section. To share the group link, you can simply tap on the group link and you'll be able to share through your favorite social media platform and other sharing services. You can also send link via WhatsApp, where you can send link to your WhatsApp contact. You can copy link when you tap on copy to copy it to your clipboard. You can also use QR code, where you can send them a QR code they can scan to join the group. And lastly, you can reset the link. When you reset the link, anyone with the previous group link won't be able to join the group using that group link. If you want to customize approval, you can always come to the group permission section, tap on this and toggle on approve new member. Anyone who wishes to join the group will need an approval before accessing the group. So thank you for watching this video on how to create and share WhatsApp group link. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.